How to add music to WhatsApp status. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, to upload any status, you just want to head over to the Updates tab right here at the bottom. And you just have to tap on the plus icon to update it. But unlike Instagram, Facebook, or any other platforms, WhatsApp does not have the inbuilt music option. So what you're going to have to do is do it from a third-party app. Even if you try to download a story from Instagram after adding music, Instagram will automatically remove that music. So what you're gonna have to do is open up your any editing websites or apps, and then from here what you're gonna do is import your video first. And once you have imported your video, what you can do is tap on the audio and then tap on sounds. Now from here you can add any music that you'd like. And if you have a music on your phone that is stored locally, then you could just access it from here as well. So just tap on device and you could add any music from here. So go ahead and tap on it. And then as you can see here, the music has been added to my. If I just play the video, the music will start playing. And that's how you add music to your WhatsApp status. So you could just go ahead and export this, shorten the time of the music because it's way too long. So go ahead and tap on this one, shorten it out a bit, and then just you could upload this on your WhatsApp status. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.